Hi, I'm Frank Riccardi, CEO of Weston Sampson, and I'm here with Paul Usgaris, who's the project manager for this redevelopment project. This is our next video in our series of how we, individually and as a firm, live out our mission, vision, and core values. At Weston Sampson, our mission is to protect, improve, and sustain the natural and built environment. As part of this mission, we also strive to foster a culture of social responsibility. A great example of this is our work to redevelop the former Bartlett Yard garage in the Roxbury neighborhood of Boston, Massachusetts. This site was the former home of a heavy maintenance facility that operated for decades and was considered a Brownfield property. The site is surrounded by residential properties in the heart of the Nubian Square neighborhood and required environmental remediation to return it to its highest and best use. Nuestra Comunidad, a local non-profit community development corporation, partnered with Windale developers to purchase the property and redevelop the site as a mixed-use facility. Weston Sampson worked with Nuestra, the developer, and other community partners to conduct building and environmental assessments, remediation design, observe remediation and construction activities, and help manage the project's multiple funding sources. Social empowerment was also a critical feature of the Bartlett Yard project. More than 60% of the construction was completed by minority-owned businesses, and 50% of the workforce was Boston residents. Weston Sampson continues to work with the development team and other individual developers, including preservation of affordable housing, to ensure that soil is managed in accordance with site closure requirements. The site has been renamed Bartlett Station and includes a bustling community center with 380 new, low, and moderate income units, a public plaza, open space, retail spaces, a vibrant creative district, and a hub for urban art, which are critical to the revitalization of this environmental justice neighborhood. In August of 2022, the project received the Phoenix Award from the US EPA for the impactful transformation of this important site. We are so proud to be part of this team and want to thank Nuestra Comunidad for allowing us to help them transform this site into a valuable community asset. We take our mission, vision, and values seriously, and we have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.